guys, we haven't tried our slime yet, and I'm going to.
Hold on.
I had a sip of
Come on, slime.
water.
You can get up here.
I'm gonna get my water, just in case it doesn't taste good. You never know, right? Okay,
yeah,
so
you never know.
Ashton, try yours. 3, 2, 1. Ew. Ew, he likes it. Ew. Oh, I got it. I got it dry. That put too much chocolate in it. Do not.
Hey, it's mine now. It's all mine.
He didn't. Oh, okay.
So where's the lid?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna do it. Where's the garbage can? Oh,
It's just so good.
it's putrid. The slime. The funny thing is, it tastes horrible and it looks like poop. It is poop.